All right, everyone. So we just got long tubes installed on the truck, and we have no muffler right now because the whole muffler system that I'm putting on is still in development, and I won't have it here for a little bit. And I really want to hear what a cold start sounds like. Not as bad as I thought. That's the headers into a Y pipe with a 3-inch out and a turn down right there. I really thought it would be louder, and I need a snow shovel. Get off the street. Go back up there. Go. Get off the street. Go. Come here. Get over there. Get. We'll give her a couple cold revs. I was curious if it was going to sound different when it was cold. It's really not that bad. Like, there's all the exhaust bolts. I went with the 1 3/4. I don't know if you guys can see that down in there, but we got the headers, the S&B air intake. I need to redo the valves. They're leaking a little bit, and I'm going to take it in and get the suspension put on probably today or tomorrow. And we're going to do this all in steps because I wanted to show you guys like all the different levels of modifications and whatnot.